Banda, 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 sada gangarate. So bando, bando. You know what I'm saying? Gang, gang. Krevet lezi. Tebe želim. Poprostale. Baby. Baby. Oh, nice. Purple style digit. Something like that. But this song is called Baby. You know what I'm saying? By Phil Rooks and Moskov. You know what I'm saying? Or Moscow. Moscow. Hey. Uzima. Samo. Gas. Hey. Strana. Popara Mishi. Hey. Jebo. Hey. Mori. Pray. Baby. I like how you say that. Hey. Noches. Tonight we gonna get lit, huh? Noche. Hey. Dobre vici. Cousin. Baby. Hey. Mariachi. Propostale. Propostale. Skupo. This is lit. Do ye Vatra. Hell yeah. I like it. I like it a lot.
Rečnik, reci šta želiš. Imamo sve što ti treba, al nemoj da slučajno tražiš mi acid. Demoni kurve što budu se šivaju, puše te prljavi grekši. Misliš da ne znam te priče, ja davno sam prošao taj ulični Cambridge. Moskov na vezi, Ferox je Sević.
Is that right? He said Ferox is a Sević. Baby želi. Baby gang. Krevet lezi. Noche samo. Purple body. Nice. Well. Hey. This beat is raw though. I like this beat. Whoever engineered this beat, kudos. You know what I'm saying? Go bar. Okay. Should have kept a little freestyle to that, but it's okay. You know what I'm saying? Beat was definitely fire. The song was definitely an absolute banger. You know what I'm saying? You already know. You know what I'm saying? If you enjoyed this reaction video, make sure you smash that like button, make sure you subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. Thank you guys for watching. You know what I'm saying? Raz video dugmi pristini dugmi zapre pratu I kushite. So vanosa obama stenya. I havalava moya brachi sexually. Hey, I'll see you guys in the next reaction video. You know what I'm saying? Gang. You know, ganging with the gang. All day, every day. Munchie gang. You know what I'm saying? Baby.